This creamy chicken pasta salad is super refreshing and loaded with flavor. It's a simple creamy dressing tossed with tender pasta, savory chicken, and fresh veggies, making it the perfect addition to your summer cookouts, potlucks, family gatherings, or just a relaxing dinner at home. This dish is so quick and easy it comes together in about 20 minutes, and it can be made ahead of time, making it perfect for those busy weeknights. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Put a medium to large pot of water on to boil and add some salt and half a teaspoon of oil to that. Once that comes to a boil, you'll need a 16-ounce box of pasta of your choice. I'm using shells here. Now I've got some leftover rotisserie chicken here, and I find they have the perfect blend of flavor and are usually budget friendly. Now I'm going to cut it into little chunks like this, put it in a bowl and set it aside. You're going to need about 1.5 cups of this. Once you're finished chopping up your chicken, check your pasta. If it's finished, drain it and rinse with cold water and set that aside. Next, we'll slice up 1/2 of a medium red onion. Place those in a small bowl. Slice half a green pepper. Take out those seeds and membrane. If you'd like, you can use a color of each, red, orange, yellow, and green of the baby peppers. Add those right to the same bowl as the onions. Slice 1 stalk of celery. Now here's where you can get a little creative and add black or green olives, halved cherry tomatoes, and even cucumbers. Next, slice up 2 hard-boiled eggs. In a larger bowl, place 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, one teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and a shot of white vinegar, or about 1 ounce. And now mix that until it's well incorporated. Next, add your drained and cooled pasta. Stir well. Add the veggie bowl to the pasta bowl. Add a 1/2 cup of frozen peas here. There's no need to thaw these out first. Add the chicken and give that a good stir. Cube up the cheese of your choice. I've got Velveeta here, but you use whatever you like and however much you like. And add that right to the bowl. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and watch these videos next.